Welcome to 3 for the Road RV. I'm Lee.
I'm Wally.
It's Foodie Friday. Let's eat.
Hello foodies. Today we are doing another review, and this time it's going to be the Duncan Hines brand of the Keto Cake Cups. Mine will be the walnut fudge brownie type one. Summers, what is yours?
Cake.
Birthday cake.
And
Papa, what's yours?
Mine's the double chocolate cake.
Yep, he can hardly see his on there, huh? Okay. First of all, the instructions were really super simple. It was 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of butter. And they also said on the directions if you didn't want to use the butter, you could use coconut oil or even olive oil. But we went ahead and used the butter. We don't have a problem using butter. So, Summer, why don't you take your first bite and see what you think.
I want to take a little bite.
Okay, take a little bite. See what you think.
Oh.
Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs up for Summer. Good. Mine's the walnut fudge brownie. I'm going to try mine now.
Nice.
And it is... not bad. Papa, what about you?
Thumbs up or down? Thumbs up?
It's a pretty good taste.
Okay.
Great. So we all have a thumbs up. So, also, after you put in the water and the butter, I forgot to say, you only have to microwave it for 1 minute, and then you let it sit in the microwave for 2 minutes to kind of do a cool down process. And that was basically it. And it's from Duncan Hines, so I was really having a hope that it was going to be a success, and it really is. Now we're going to trade. Papa cannot eat walnuts, and so he doesn't get to taste that one. But he's going to try the birthday cake, and Summer's going to try Papa's, the double chocolate. See if we still have thumbs up. Summer likes that one. What does Papa think?
Thumbs up.
Not bad.
Cool. Now I want to try.
And then you trade to me.
Okay, you can try mine.
And Papa, you can taste.
I know I can't taste that.
Double chocolate is good as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do I get to taste your birthday cake one?
Oh yeah, let Lily try it.
Let me take your
Yeah, birthday cake. Definitely a birthday cake flavor. So, very tasty. It's even got kind of a rich feeling to it. So, if you enjoy your dairies and you want to have a glass of milk with it, I'm fine with that. And, you know, I'm sure it wouldn't hurt a thing. Also, I'm sure you could drink your alternative milks, like your coconut milks or your almond milks, that kind of thing. And so, anyway, we call this a thumbs up. It's right up there with the Birch Blenders brand. We don't see a problem with either brand so far. Oh, and by the way, the information, you get 5 grams of carbs, 0 sugars, and 10 grams of protein for the walnut fudge one. What does your birthday cake one say? There you go. The birthday cake one is 5 grams of carbs, 0 sugars, and 9 protein. What does Papa's say? It says 5 grams of carbs, 0 sugar, and 8 protein. So the nuts must have added just a couple extra for the protein in the walnut fudge one. So anyway, there you have it. We call it a thumbs up for Duncan Hines Keto. It is so hard to find legal, I guess you could say, treats for us to have, you know, with our diabetic issues. Sometimes we just go ahead and cheat, and sometimes we try really hard to find things that are safe for us. And this is a winner. Next time, we will be discussing the new Birch Blenders brand that I found of a brownie mix, and we will see how that compares. We really like their cake cups. Now we're going to try their brownie mix, and we'll let you know how that turns out. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the road. And don't forget to take the scenic route. Bye-bye.
Bye.